Rivals, no safe spots. Heat level high, survive the night. R8 screaming through the pouring rain. Game freezing up while I'm changing lanes. Every pursuit got another glitch. Texture bugs trying to bury me quick. M6 number pain stay close. Every near miss felt like seeing ghosts. One wrong move and the whole run gone. Heat level pressure from dusk till dawn. Had to leave the game just to eat real quick. Looking for a spot where the cops won't hit. Heart still racing while I'm off the wheel. One busted run and the loss gets real. No safe SPs by this whole damn state. Cops too insane and they feel with hate. Racing AI trying to end my night. Every pursuit turning into fights. No safe SP spot, know where to hide. Sirens echo while I'm trying to survive. Heat level high with the world gone mad. Rival nights turning good runs bad. And heavy in the handling rough. One low HP hitting it's over tough luck. Highway pack with the red blue flash. Random AI trying to make me crash. Crashes, freezes, load in pain. Still came back just to grind again. 101 cop car off the gate. Now the Veron trying to seal my fate. Rain on the windshield, lights in the fog. Every pursuit feeling like a wall. Sometimes the game wanna see me fall, but I still came back